So, this is the main entrance of the cottage that is in Woods Resort. Come on, let's go in. So, this is the main entrance. Everything here is made of wood. So, this is the main hall. This is made of wood. Sofas, even the TV stand, shelves, kitchen tables. Everything here is made of wood. No plastic here. All of this area is eco-friendly and made completely by wood. Even the walls are made from bamboo wood. So this is the main. Next, we're going to go to the balcony. The balcony is a really aesthetic place. It has a mesh door. This is the balcony. Of course, here everything is made of wood. Even the walls of the balcony made of complete pure wood. Even the mesh doors are made of wood. Everything here is eco-friendly. It's a really beautiful place here, and it's also a very relaxing place to meditate and just sit here. The bedroom is so aesthetic, its ambience is so nice. There is a king-sized bed over here. I'm gonna jump on it. It's so soft. It's so soft. Good for sleeping. There's a carpet over here. Even in the bedroom, everything is made up of wood. Table, chairs, everything. So also there is a tiny area where we can sit and drink some coffee, tea or breakfast in the bedroom itself. No need to go outside. Also, if you're feeling like for something naturistic, over here there is a big curtain. Behind this curtain there is a transparent glass which side of it is where all of the nature is. We can see many trees, but it's dark outside. I'll show you tomorrow morning. It's really, really good. So we also have another room. By the way, there are a bunch of closets here where we can keep all our stuff. This is a bathroom. I don't know why, but it has a door. So, it's a really big restroom. Huge mirror. A sink to wash your hands, brush your teeth. So, even the walls here, even the ceiling is made of wood. The door is made of wood. Everything here is eco-friendly. And nothing here is made from pollution. So now we're at the Woods Resort food area. So they serve breakfast, lunch, snacks and dinner. We're eating dinner right now.